Welcome to the Wall Street roller coaster, where fortunes are made and lessons are learned. Numbers dance, stocks swing, and emotions run wild in this financial carnival. But before you dive headfirst, remember, markets are fueled by fear and greed. Behind all the chaos lies a simple truth. Buy companies, not ticker symbols. Owning a share means owning a piece of a business, a piece of its triumphs and tribulations. If you're in it for a quick buck, you're in the wrong theater. Patient investing is the name of the game, and compounding interest is your superstar actor. Picture this. Your money's a seed. Let it grow into a money tree. Patience pays and compounding's the sunlight. Let's imagine a soda. Imagine if every sip brought you a little profit. That's what dividends can do. Don't just chase the stock price. Cherish the dividends it brings. Emotional resilience is your golden ticket here. When others panic, you'll calmly sort through opportunities. Fearful markets are a bargain hunter's paradise. Newsflash. News isn't investing advice. The best deals aren't on the front page. News is noise, my friends. The market's mood swings won't define your strategy. Remember, a herd mentality can lead to the cliff. To sum it up, bet on businesses you understand, befriend time, and don't let the market storms ruffle your feathers. So buckle up, investors, and enjoy the ride. Thank you. See you soon.